This is my DEERC 9200E. Just got it from DEERC for my birthday. We're taking it on its first run out here at the skate park. We did have to fill the shocks with oil. Oh gosh, this thing is fast. Yeah, it doesn't do too bad. It's got a 540 brush motor. And of course the speed settings and beautiful. See if we can get it turned around here. No rail slides today, Rusty. It's a good buddy of mine on YouTube, Rusty Jester. Trying to do those rail slides, buddy, but I cannot. The tires are squalling. Let's check it out in the grass, see what it does. Man, grass is not an obstacle. No trouble climbing. Oh, we did a flip over. She's down. Yeah, she's got some peaches, all right. This thing's really kind of quick. It's fun. I couldn't get it to land back on its top. Have to lower it. Lower center of gravity. Well, hey, baby. Ooh, master flat. She's stuck under there. Look at that mash. Does not like rail slides. Oh man, it's stuck. God damn it. It's stuck. Oh yeah, there we go. We got it out. Let's see, we crash like that. Membrane's still good. Booyah. See what happens here. Still in perfect shape. All our hood pins in. All our hood pins are in. We're good. Didn't quite make that corner. Yeah, I'm definitely going to get some drift tires for it. I think it'd be a lot of fun drifting. What a great way to spend a September afternoon. My goodness. Weather's virtually perfect right now. About 80 degrees. She's pretty resilient, really. It takes a beating. Oh, it drifts good. Love the way it leans when it turns like that. Yeah, that's a good buy for $119 right now on Amazon. I got a pretty good deal on it with an Amazon code. Oh, wipe out. All in all, she took a pretty good beating today. I went through 2 batteries so far and really no issues. Other than, you know, I had flat spots in the tires when I first got it. DEERC did another great job with this car. It comes with 2 bodies, and this is going to be my basher body, obviously, because I have thrashed it up pretty good. And red and black one we'll use for drifting the other skate park.